Oral communication. 1.1 Meaning, importance, advantages and disadvantages of oral communication. Meaning, oral communication refers to the process of expressing information or ideas by word of mouth. It can occur face-to-face or through other mediums like telephones, video calls, meetings, etc. Importance. Crucial for effective interpersonal interaction. Promotes quick decision-making. Useful for immediate feedback and clarification. Enhances team collaboration and leadership effectiveness. Advantages. Fast and efficient mode of communication. Immediate feedback and interaction. Personal and expressive with tone and body language. Simple and easy for all levels. Disadvantages. No permanent record. Not suitable for lengthy or complex details. Can be misunderstood if not clearly spoken. Effectiveness depends on speaker's communication skills. 1.2 Qualities of a good speaker and using voice effectively in oral communication. Qualities of a good speaker. Clear articulation and pronunciation. Confidence and enthusiasm. Structured thoughts and organized delivery. Good listener and responsive. Uses body language effectively. Maintains eye contact and adjusts tone appropriately. Using voice effectively. Adjust tone and pitch according to emotion. Speak clearly and at a moderate pace. Use pauses for emphasis. Modulate voice to avoid monotony. Ensure adequate volume based on the audience and room. Written communication. 2.1 Meaning, distinction with oral communication, merits and limitations. Meaning, written communication involves conveying messages through written symbols, letters, memos, emails, reports, etc., to create a permanent record. Distinction with oral communication. Vertical bar criteria. Vertical bar written communication. Vertical bar oral communication. Vertical bar record. Vertical bar permanent. Vertical bar no permanent record. Vertical bar feedback. Vertical bar delayed. Vertical bar immediate. Vertical bar formality. Vertical bar mostly formal. Vertical bar formal or informal. Vertical bar speed. Vertical bar time consuming. Vertical bar faster. Vertical bar use. Vertical bar suitable for detailed info. Vertical bar suitable for quick updates. Vertical bar merits. Permanent documentation. Useful for complex and technical messages. Can be distributed widely. Helps maintain uniformity and accuracy. Limitations. No immediate feedback. Risk of misinterpretation. Requires more time and effort. Can lack personal touch. 2.2 Letter writing. Layout of business letter. 1. Sender's address 2. Date 3. Receiver's address 4. Subject line 5. Salutation 6. Body, opening, main content, closing, 7. Complimentary close 8. Signature. Types of letters. Enquiry letter, complaint letter, application letter, resignation letter. Styles of layouts. Full block style, modified block style, semi-block style. Essentials of good business letters. Clarity and brevity, correct format and grammar, polite and professional tone, relevance to the subject, action-oriented closing. 2.3 Purpose of letters. Resume, a summary of qualifications, experience, and skills. Application. A formal request for a job or position. Appointment letter, a document confirming employment terms. 2.4 Types of letters. Complaint letter, to address issues or dissatisfaction. Sales letter, persuasive letter to promote products services. Status enquiry letter, request for order or project updates. Collection letter, send to recover payments. 2.5 Email drafting and sending. Use professional email address. Clear and relevant subject line. Concise, structured body. Use polite and formal language. Avoid grammatical errors. Attach documents when required. 2.6 Report writing meaning and nature. A report is a formal presentation of facts and analysis on a specific topic. May be routine or special purpose. Formats of reports. Formal reports have title page, table of contents, references. Informal reports, memo or short document without formal structure. 2.7 Writing reports data collection, organization, presentation. Data collection, through surveys, interviews, research. Organizing, title, objectives, methodology, findings. Presentation, use visuals, charts, bullets, and structured headings. Dash. Organizational correspondence. 3.1 Job applications. Covering letter introduces the applicant and expresses interest in the job. Resume. Structured summary of education, skills, and experience. Appointment letter offers a job role and includes details like salary, role, and joining date. 3.2 Organizational communication meaning and importance. Process of information flow within and outside the organization. Builds transparency, improves coordination, supports decision-making. 3.3 Internal communication. Notice, public announcement within organization. Circular, used for conveying the same information to many departments. Memo, short internal communication to address issues or updates. 3.4 External communication. Enquiry letter, requests specific information or services. Quotation letter, provides price and terms for goods or services. Dash. Presentation skills. 4.1 Meaning and importance. A presentation is a means of communicating ideas clearly using speech, visuals, and technology. Essential in academic, business, and professional settings. 4.2 Types, content, audience analysis, evaluation. Types, informative, persuasive, demonstrative, entertaining. Content, clear purpose, engaging visuals, logical structure. Audience analysis, no audience background, interests, and level. Evaluation, gather feedback to improve future presentations. 4.3 Effective ways to deliver a presentation. Rehearse and time your speech. Maintain eye contact and body language. Use visual aids appropriately. Be enthusiastic and engaging. Handle questions confidently. 4.4 Use of ICT. Tools, PowerPoint, Google Slides, Canva, Prezi, benefits, enhances clarity, saves time, enables interactivity. Dash. Group discussion and interview techniques. 5.1 Group discussion. Meaning. A structured discussion among participants on a topic. Importance, assesses communication, teamwork, leadership, and thinking skills. DOS, speak clearly, support arguments with facts, listen actively. Don'ts, don't interrupt, argue aggressively, or go off topic. 5.2 Types of interviews. Personal interview, one-on-one discussion. Panel interview, multiple interviewers. Telephonic video interview, remote. Walk-in interview, no prior appointment. Group interview, several candidates at once. Stress interview, test candidate under pressure. 5.3 Preparation for interview. Pre-interview, research company, rehearse answers, prepare documents. During, dress appropriately, be punctual, listen carefully. Post-interview, send a thank you email, follow up if necessary. 5.4 Guidelines for a successful interview. Be honest and confident. Demonstrate interest in the role. Avoid negative remarks. Ask relevant questions. 5.5 Interview Techniques, Manners and Etiquettes. Dress professionally. Greet with a smile and handshake. Maintain eye contact. Be polite and respectful. Keep mobile phones silent. Dash. Business meetings and negotiation. 6.1 Meaning and types. Meetings are formal informal gatherings to discuss and decide. Types: board, staff, project, virtual, one-on-one meetings. 6.2 Key attributes of productive meetings. Defined objective and agenda. Participation from all members. Time-bound and well-organized. Clear outcomes and action points. 6.3 Meeting etiquette, do's and don'ts. Do's: be punctual, come prepared, listen actively. Don'ts: don't interrupt, use phones, or be disrespectful. 6.4 Handling disruptions in meetings. Politely bring focus back to agenda. Address disruptions tactfully. Involve moderator if needed. 6.5 Agenda and minutes. Agenda: list of topics to be covered, circulated in advance. Minutes: accurate summary of discussions and decisions made. 6.6 Negotiation meaning, approaches and barriers. Meaning: discussion between two or more parties to reach an agreement. Approaches: distributive, win-lose, integrative, win-win, collaborative, competitive. Barriers: poor preparation, emotional conflict, communication gaps, rigid positions.